Greetings and welcome to Busybee from Germany, my dear fellow collectors. Today we do another episode of the treasure hunt. What have I found in October? I have not found that much in October. I have found something, of course. What you can see is my tropical skipper. I found the Spanish version of the tropical skipper, the one I have been looking for in summer. I found her. She has very much hair, as you can see. Very much hair. And it's very shiny. I still have to wash and comb hair. I had not so much time in the last weeks. She came and then I dressed her a little bit, and I have not done the rest of her beauty procedure yet. But she's going to get a hair wash. Yeah, what's so special on her is that she was made for the Spanish market. Can you see it? Her face is very similar to her US sisters, but she was exclusively made for the Spanish market. She has more hair than the US version of her sisters. She has really very much hair. I mean, I have literally problems to get them in my hand because it's so much hair. It's crazy. That's one of my finds from October 2019. And my other find is Can you see her? No, not yet really. No, it's better. Let's see. Yeah, I found a TNT Barbie. She is a platinum version of the TNT. I have not been looking really for a TNT Barbie, but I only have one. Yeah, one. I have only one with cut hair, and she was offered, and I thought, why not? I like TNTs and I don't have them, and so I bought another TNT with platinum hair. Her hair is not cut, has the original length. I have dressed her at the moment in a self-made dress. She's getting another one, but it was the fastest dress I could find, and so she got something I did 1.5 years ago. A dress, it's a copy of the bell dress. Yeah, and these two are my finds for October. Not very much, but I think it's a little bit extraordinary, and I was successful in October.